everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this samosa. Let's get started! First, let's boil the potatoes. Now let's prepare our ingredients. First, let's grate our ginger. Now let's do the garlic. And let's chop the onion. Let's cut the chilies. And let's chop the cilantro. Smells good. The potato is cooked and let's set this aside to cool it down. My pan is hot. Let's put the olive oil. Let's add the onion. Let's add the garlic. The ginger. Lovely smell. The cumin seeds. The chilies. Turmeric powder. And now let's add our potato. Here we go. Let's add the cilantro. Mix it. And let's add the lemon juice. Let's put some salt. Mix it again. It's done, guys. It's very quick and easy. So let's turn off the heat. Set this aside to cool down before we wrap this. I can't wait. Let's cut the wrappers into 3 equal parts. And we're ready to wrap our samosa. Prepared a tablespoon of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of water. And we're going to use it to seal our samosas. Now let's get started. Okay, let's put a little bit here first. Try to put it like that and then fold it into a triangle. And then fold again. And let's put more filling. Flour mixture, and that's it. Again, put a bit first and then fold it into triangle so that you already feel the corner of it, and fold one more time. More. Just roll it and seal it. Seal it like that. samosas. Now let's cook this. Start cooking our samosa. It's perfect. This is perfect. Turn up the heat. And here's my homemade samosa. And let's try our samosa. Oh my goodness, I tell you guys, it's really good. Plus this chutney I made, oh my god, it really goes well with the samosa. Yummy. It's really good. Let's break this and see. This is how it looks inside. Yummy!